Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. My channel name is Rehan Info. मेरे YouTube चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि मेरे चैनल पर आने वाले हर नई नई वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। आप मेरे चैनल पर आने वाले हर नई वीडियोस को देख सकें, उन्हें लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट्स दें। चलो एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो के जाने बाद मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ हाउ टू फिक्स अ ब्लू स्क्रीन ऑफ अ डेथ BSOD. BSOD can be caused by the both hardware or software. The good news is that there are ways to recover from it. A blank blue screen on a computer is never a welcome sight. It means something has crashed the computer so badly that immediate step must be taken to recover the system. What is it? The blue screen of the death. What caused it? A blue screens of a death BSOD. A stop error appears when an issue is so serious that Windows must stop loading. It is usually hardware or driver related. Most will show a stop code to help you figure out the root cause. If the blue screen flashes and your computer reboots automatically, you will need it to disable the automatic restarts on a system failure. Getting below are a general blue screen of the death and troubleshooting steps. Please see your list of blue screens error codes for an individual STOP codes. Troubleshooting steps. Come back here if we do not have a troubleshooting guide for your specific STOP code, or if you have no idea what your STOP code is not. The troubleshooting guide applies to any versions of Windows, including Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP. How to fix a blue screen of a death. The most important blue screen of a death troubleshooting step up to can take is to ask yourself what you did just before the device stopped working. Did you just install a new program or a pieces of a hardware update, a driver install, a window update, etc.? If so, there are very good chances that the change from your made caused by the BSOD under the change you made it to test against the STOP errors depending upon what it was and changed. Some solution might include it. Starting up using the lost nonce code configuration to undo the recent registry environment change. Using the Windows System Restore to undo recent system changes. Rolling back the device driver to a vision periods to your driver update. Tips. Some of these steps may require you to start Windows in a safe mode. If that is not possible, then skip those steps. Check that there are enough free hardware driver space where Windows is being installed. Blue screens of a death and other serious issues like data corruptions can occur if there are no enough free space on your primary partition. Microsoft recommended that you maintain at least 100 MB for a free space, but you will be regularly see problem with the free space that's low. If it usually advised that the Windows users keeps at least 10% of the driving capacity free at all times. Scan your computer for malwares and viruses. Some viruses can cause the blue screen of a death, especially ones that infect the master boot recorder, MBR, or a boot sector. Important, make sure that virus scanning software is completely up to date and that is configured to scan the MBR and boot sectors. If you get far enough to run, a virus scans within the window, and there are some great bootable antiviruses tools out there. Check for their free install availables. Windows Special Services Pack and Update. Microsoft regularly release the packages and services pack for their operating system that may contain the fixed for the cause of your BSOD. Update the hardwares and drivers in the window. Most blue screens of the death and hardware or drivers related to their update and driver could fix their cause of the stop error. Check the system and application logs in the event viewers or errors or a varying that might provide more classes. And on the case of the BSOD, event viewers can be opened through the administrative called returns hardware setting to default in a device messenger unless you have a specific reason to do so. System resource data individual pieces of hardware is configured to use in the device. The manager should be set a default non-default hardware setting have been known to cause a blue screen of death. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.